Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to assemble the Minnie Mouse Playhouse outdoor indoor cabin. I'm super excited because we just got this in and it's a gift from Giselle's grandma. So Giselle's grandma, if you're watching, thank you so much. I feel like every time Giselle receives a gift, it feels like it's for me. So I get super excited. I don't know if you guys are like that, but if you are, comment down below. Alright guys, so let's get to it. And before we head on with this video, if you are new here, welcome. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that right now before we keep going. Alright guys, so let's get to it. it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope this was helpful. And if it was, don't forget to like, share, comment down below. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good day. Bye!